Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the screen brightness on Oppo Smart watches. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Then tap the settings cog to open the settings. Tap Screen Display. Scroll down the options and tap Screen Brightness. Here you can swipe up and down through the different brightness levels. Level 6 is the brightest option and level 1 is the least bright. Choose the brightness level that you would like and then tap OK. The screen brightness on your Oppo Watch has now been changed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Oppo Watch tips and tricks.